you out to the MS Bike Ride Event 2024. It is a bright and beautiful day outside today, down here in New Bern, North Carolina. Just to let you guys know, about 5 o'clock when things are wrapped up out here, we're going to transition from the park on over into the convention center. Yes, once again, 5 o'clock, we're going to transition from right down here in the park up into the convention center. This is a sound check. Please disregard these messages at this time. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome you on out to our 2024 MS Bike Ride. Bright and beautiful day outside today down here in New Bern, North Carolina. Just a quick announcement. At 5 o'clock, we will be transitioning from the park area to the convention center. Yes, 5 o'clock, we will be transitioning from the park to the convention center. Check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hey. Such a bright and beautiful sunny day down here in New Bern, North Carolina, right here on the waterfront. So excited to be down here. Looking forward to this event coming up. This will be a September event. Y'all be sure to stay on the lookout for some information on that. That is the MS Bike Ride 2024. Happening in September. September the 7th is our official day. September the 7th. That is a Saturday morning for you guys down here in New Bern, North Carolina. September the 7th. Y'all save that date. Y'all make sure to be down here.